Okay, men, listen up. Are you having issues with your prostate? Well, there is a new treatment that could help bring you some much needed relief. I want you to meet Dr. Mehan. He's a urologist from East Valley Urology Center. He has the details on a treatment option available. First of all, good to have you here on Sonoran Living. So you know what, this is a topic that a lot of guys just avoid talking about, or really, for that matter, do anything about. First of all, an enlarged prostate, does that happen to all men or just most men or some men?
This is so common.
Really?
Yeah, over 50% of men after the age of 60 have symptoms of an enlarged prostate. We think if you live long enough, your prostate is going to grow and become bothersome. This is something that is so common among men as they age.
Well, besides the obvious, what are some of the symptoms of an enlarged prostate?
Yeah, these are guys that are waking up at night to urinate. They have urinary urgency, frequency. They know where all the bathrooms are. They can't travel. They can't do the things that they used to do, and it definitely impacts their quality of life.
If you don't do anything about it, does it get worse?
Yeah, these symptoms can progress over time, and you know, we look at men and we have them fill out a survey of how bad their symptoms are. And a lot of men start out with mild symptoms, and over time they can become very moderate or even severe and life-changing.
Okay, so here's what you don't want to do is live with it, right? Because there are options out there. Tell me about some of the treatment options that you provide to men.
Yeah, there are so many options. We've gone through a renaissance of new technology, which is pretty cool. Traditionally, a lot of men just do watchful waiting. They do nothing. They just sit there and they live with it. Some men will incorporate behavioral therapies, behavioral modifications, change how they eat and they drink. But traditionally, most men are prescribed a medication. And we have now new minimally invasive therapies that can be offered in the office. And there's traditional surgical options in the operating room.
Okay, so first of all, it's about quality of life, right? And we're here to educate the guys out there, right? You don't have to live with it. You offer up a procedure called Rezum water vapor therapy. What is that? How does that work?
Yeah, this is one of the minimally invasive therapies that is done in the office.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Rezum therapy uses water vapor that goes inside the prostate and shrinks it. And it's a one-time treatment with amazing results. This is a procedure that we do, and 95% of the time, it gives a durable result that lasts.
So how would a patient know if he's a good candidate for that treatment?
Yeah, go see a urologist. And definitely get worked up. I think a lot of men live with their symptoms. Only 2% of men that have severe symptoms seek treatment. 98% of guys live with their symptoms. And we can do so much better as a society.
Why is that? Because they're afraid? It's hard enough to get your guy to go to the doctor, right? But when he's in pain and suffering, you know, it's like, come on, guys.
I think the traditional options, prostate medications, they have sexual side effects. They can cause dizziness. And some of the invasive surgeries, I mean, like my grandfather had a surgery, and I wouldn't want to go through that, what he went through.
Right.
And they just don't know about these newer options that are available.
All right. Good information, as always. So, guys, got to go get yourself checked, all right? Thanks, Dr. Mehan. If you want to make an appointment, call East Valley Urology Center at 480-219-1010 or go to evucenter.com. And to learn more about Rezum, go to rezum.com.